Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Wednesday, October 22nd, 2025. Update on yesterday's trading summary. Took two trades, finished with one loser, one break even for a total of -1R. Nothing too crazy, guys. Again, we make sure we manage our risk, manage our emotions, and our expectations. Risk and wins, it's all part of it. It does not matter. We're playing the long-term game, probabilities game, and we know that over the long term, our edge will play out. So today, guys, we're here focused on the same thing, right? We're making sure we follow the process, not worried about the wins and losses, 100% focused on the process. And we're going to make sure we follow our setup, follow our rules. Whatever happens after that, we're at the mercy of the markets, and we do not control that. We understand that. We accept that, and let the randomness play out. So let's take a look at the charts and see what trades we take today. All right, guys, so we just got that order filled right there. As you guys see here, market opened right here, 630, created this nice, decent sell-off. Once during all this, I was looking for a short continuation. We did not get one. Price came, closed above this candle right here, created a gap. Again, guys, that's my bread and butter. That's my A+ setup, right? Follow the same rules every single time. Wait for price to pull back into that gap. It did right here. Stop loss is a swing pivot right here. Take profit, always +2R, all or nothing. Again, we are in for the ride now. Whatever happens right now after this, it's all random, does not matter to me, does not impact my decision. I'm not trying to get in, get out. I'm just going to let it all play out, follow my rules, be disciplined, and accept the randomness. So right now we're in it, and I'll update you guys here in a bit, let you guys know how it all plays out. I'll be back. All right, guys, so we just took that loss right there. Stop was filled. Again, guys, can't complain, can't be mad, can't be upset. That was an A+ setup. They'll play out long term. Just have to keep making myself available whenever they do present themselves. So right now, what we're going to do, again, guys, we're not going to revenge trade. We're not going to go on tilt. We're not going to get mad. We're not going to FOMO into other bad setups. We're going to wait. We're going to wait for the next valid setup, and we're going to make sure we execute to the best of our ability. So I'll be back in a little bit, and I'll update you guys shortly. Order filled there. All right, guys, so here we have it. Continuation trade to the long side. Here you guys have a break of structure. Boom. Came. I was looking for a long from all the way down here. Price didn't pull back into this gap. So got another continuation higher, move higher. Boom. Wait until price pulls back into that gap. As you guys see here, price pulled back into it. Stop loss is this swing pivot right here. Take profit. Again, guys, +2R, all or nothing. Again, we do not switch up our trades. We do not switch up our plan in the middle of trading just because we have a loss, just because this happens, that happens. We continue to trade the same setup because we know long term, that's when our edge will play out. So we are in it right now, risking $100 per trade. We'll be back. We'll see how it all wants to play out, and I'll update you guys in a bit. All right, guys, and that one's another stop loss triggered right there. Boom. Another loss, guys. It is what it is, guys. I keep mentioning, got to continue to follow the process. A couple losers does not make me want to go revenge trade, does not make me go on tilt, because I understand that one winner makes up for two losers. If you accidentally go 2 wins in a row, end up with +4R, that makes up a ton of losses in a row, right? So we're going to continue to take the same setup, same strategy, and continue to accept the randomness. I'll be back in a bit. All right, guys, we just got that order filled here on an NQ short. All right, you guys see here, red box means no trading for me. Had to wait until the PM session. You guys see here, opened up 10:30. Got the sell-off decent. Boom, continuation here. Boom, pullback. Another continuation. Small, super small gap, but it is a gap, as I always mention. Doesn't matter what the size of the gap, as long as it's a gap, we're putting our order there. Stop loss is a swing pivot above this blue candle right here, which is the last pivot candle. And take profit, as always, guys, +2R, all or nothing. Again, taking 2 losses. We've been super patient, super disciplined, waited for the next valid setup. We did not revenge trade, did not FOMO. And now we're going to see how this one wants to play out. Currently working in our favor, but again, guys, it's all random. Price could just spike up, spike down. We don't control any of that. We just control our mindset and the process we bring into trading. So I'll be back, and I'll update you guys here in a bit. Order filled. Okay, guys, there you have it. Order has been filled. So the third trade worked in our favor. And now we are currently back to break even. Small green on the day. Again, guys, as I keep mentioning, no need to revenge trade, no need to get mad, no need to get upset. Keep trading the same setups. Wait for your setups. Once they present themselves, make sure you're managing your risk, your emotions, your expectations, because again, anything can happen. We do have our losing streaks, but we know long term, as long as we continue to take our setups, we will be profitable. So right now, what we're going to do, continue to wait for the next valid setup. Not going to take any trades in between, and I'll update you guys once it happens. I'll be back in a bit. All right, guys, order filled. Got another short order here on NQ. As you guys see here, price just continued lower. Got another sell. Boom right here. Gap right here. Price pulled back into it. Stop loss swing pivot. plus 2R, all or nothing. Again, guys, same exact strategy. This one, do I think it's going to continue lower? Not so much, guys. I'm not super confident about this one. But again, I'm taking my emotions out of it, making sure I'm following the rules, following the process. And if I got a valid setup, I got to jump into it, no matter what my emotions are telling me. Because again, all of this is all random. We've followed the process, we've managed our risk, and now we're gonna let the trade play out. So I'll be back in a little bit, and I'll update you on how it plays out.
Stop filled.
All right, guys, there you have it. That was a quick loss. Prices just sold off pretty strong throughout all this in the PM session. Did I expect for it to continue lower? No, but you never know in trading. It could continue lower, and it could just sell off for the rest of the day. So I need to make myself available regardless of what my emotions are saying, and jump in on the trade, manage my risk, and let the probabilities continue to play out. So that's a -1R, back to -1 on the day. Not that big of an issue, guys. Again, we're going to wait for the next valid setup, and we'll make sure to jump in on it. I'll be back.
Order filled.
All right, guys, so we are in, what is it, 4th, 5th trade of the day. 2, 3, 4, I think. So it's NQ long. Here you guys see this was the previous trade we were in. Got taken out, stop loss right here, somewhere up here. Change of state delivery occurred here. This is the last gap in that session. And as you guys see here, price pulled all the way back, tapped into the gap. Stop loss is the swing pivot low. Take profit plus 2R. Again, guys, we continue to take the same valid setup every single time. We waited. We did not jump in on anything here. We did not get FOMO. We did not get fear. And then we're just waiting for our setup because we know, we understand that there's no need to jump in on any of this because the win ratio for any of this, any fear, any of that stuff is just too low. There's no need to risk money on that. I have 30 accounts. I need to wait for my valid setups and accept the risk, manage my risk, accept the randomness, and then whatever happens after that, it's not up to me, it's up to the market. So we are in, and I'll update you guys here in a bit, let you guys know how it plays out. All right, guys. And with that, the order has been filled. Plus 2R, solid trade, guys. As you guys see here, price came down, tapped me in, wicked the bottom, straight to the top. As you guys can see here on NQ, price came up here, broke through the level, actually touched my price. On MNQ, we were 1 tick away, literally 1 tick away from my full TP. Price pulled all the way back here, and then ultimately came back strong and took us out for full plus 2R winner. So there you guys have it again, guys. Patience, discipline, execution, that's all it is. That's how you're able to come back from those losers. What were we at? On a two loss win streak this morning. Revenge trade did not go on tilt. We are now plus 1R on the day, so we're back to green. Again, it's 11:44, so if we can get another trade, we will take another trade. Only 8+ setups, and we'll manage our risk and let the randomness take over after that. So I'll be back, and I'll update you if we do end up taking any trades, and if not, I'll update you guys with the P&Ls. All right, guys, so we are back. Currently 12:55. No other setups were triggered. As you guys see here, this was a valid setup. I did have the order out to be filled when price was pulling back to here. But as you guys see here, price never came down, touched that line, and I just continued to wait. And then I canceled the order and finished trading after that. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the P&L for the day. Here we are on the Apex dashboard. You guys see here, all 15 accounts are all funded. And here you guys can see the P&L for the day. I'll show you guys the executions. Today we did finish the day with 5 trades, 2 winners, 3 losers. Overall, plus 1R on the day. Here you guys can see the execution for the count. Again, all these accounts, all these are copy traded. Here is my fund future, and all accounts take every single setup, the same exact setup that you guys see here on the YouTube. And here's the Tradeify accounts. Pretty decent count on some, or growth on some of these accounts for today. Different take profit strategy on the Tradeify accounts. That's why you see the discrepancy there. And take profit trader, also pretty decent day. Overall, solid day. Patience, discipline, execution continues to pay off, and I continue to mention it in the video every single time, right? It does not matter what I think. My emotions do not matter. I have my set strategy. I have my set rules. Whatever my set rules, once all of my boxes are checked, I need to make myself available to enter the trade. All I can do is manage my risk, manage my emotions and my expectations, and let the market take care of the rest. I do not control the direction the market's going, and for me to think that I do, it's a little bit crazy because I clearly don't know and I don't understand the direction of the markets. All I can do is make myself available and control my risk, and that's about it. So overall, solid day. Started off -2R, finished off the day plus 1R, and we'll accept that. We'll take that, and we'll move it on to the next day, move on to tomorrow, and we'll be back again tomorrow. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one, guys. Peace.